said, like Nabrang is very special about the vegetarian, all those things, and it is a kind of Kannadiga food. And you have the chef from Bombay, so there will be a North Indian touch also for your food. And how about the non-veg? What is very special non-veg food in your Navrang?
Non-veg seafoods are very special, but we are very special in seafood. Particularly specialized in seafood making people are only there. So wherever you go, if you are going in the heavy run and all, the people know if it is in Navrang, so we will get the best only seafood.
Fantastic. Yeah. So that is why people had gave us your reference to call you and get your interview, because normally quality only will speak everywhere. It's not that even though if you have a lot of money or nothing will speak. Only if you do a good business with good quality, people will get to know who is Mr. Sukumara. So now I think people are already well known about you. So what are the other sectors you are focusing on now?
Actually, other sector is now industrial canteen also I am running.
I see. In which industrial?
In Nagarjuna industrial canteen is I am running. In Yuvan Suzlan also.
Oh, both the industry. He has already fixed up a very good ambience hotel here, near to that. And this is for the corporate people who can come here and have food. That is for the workers.
Actually, that industry, that canteen itself, they have come over here, they had the food, they had the taste of my hotel, then they said, you only have to put the industrial canteen. Actually, canteen experience even I also not had. They himself, they came, that multinational company people are having the taste of my food, then I set up there also.
That's the success of your business. That is the secret of his success also. And like as you said, like we also had some chat items here when we came here. It was really very, very, very delicious, and we really loved the food which you have served for the evening chat. So the food kind of things, normally when people come to a hotel, they normally have a feel like they should get homely food. So what kind of recipes or who will make the recipes here? Apart from the Bombay, is there any homemade cooks who's from the local?
Yeah, the homemade cook also learning from out of it. Normally, will the recipe you'll make some special item of home. That's we call as a neer dosa. One item is that dosa, neer dosa.
What is that?
That's just with the rice. Just with the rice we will make that dosa without adding anything, without adding only salt. Rice we will grind it and we will give it as it is. That even morning only we will get it. Then with the coconut and this one, sugar will add it with that. A sweet taste it will come. One of the best food you will get it in our hotel.
I see. What is that?
Neer dosa.
Neer dosa.
Yeah. So it's very thin, like very soft also.
Now itself I am feeling watery enough to have that. That is how he is expressing the way of having food here. I think that is one another victory, that you will explain about your food to other friends and I saw that you are coming with your friends. How often your friends will used to have their food here?
Yeah, normal evening and after 9:30 only we will always will get together only, my friends and other. Being rather than this, I am a politician also.
Very good. You belongs to which party?
I am in the Congress party.
So
now it's, presently in this Gram Panchayat election is coming up next 8th. So I am in present area, I am the president of this area.
Oh, how do you manage time for all these things? Now you are running catering, you are having 2 hotels, 2-3 hotels, and you are having political.
See, thing is, for a man, we have for everything you have every sufficient time. But some people will say, yes, really I am busy, I don't have the time. That is really wrong.
Not true.
That is not true. Really, when you morning, before getting up, if you chop out your program, what it is there, then evening itself you will get it done. That is my system. Morning itself I will chalk it out my program. What all things are there. With my business, apart from business, what else? Everything I will chalk it out. Which one is the best?
You choose that best out of that option.
Yes.
So it is a real business man. So this is how you have to chart your day. That is exactly right. നമ്മൾ വിചാരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മൾ ഒരിക്കലും ഒരു കാര്യം നടക്കില്ല എന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. We cannot say that we are really busy. Really busy doesn't mean that you are properly busy. You might be busy spending the time somewhere got locked up and all those things. But the real busy means you have to hook up into lot many activities as like him. Best example for that. And now you are into politics and you are into Congress party and you are going into election for president. Or already you are elected for?
No, before this term, I was the vice president of this area only.
Oh, you were the vice president.
Yeah.
You are the vice president
Yeah.
now. So next level is to be the president.
You have to see
So,
the reservation level.
all the best for
Thank
that.
you, thank you.
And then like about the food industry, now you have said like you have totally formed a kingdom, I can say. Now runs veg or non-veg or catering services or anything may be. So what is your plan about diversification? You said about something about mechanical.
Yeah.
What is that all about?
See, this basics what I learned from my books. So practically it is not right. But after going to that one, now it's so to say that Nagarjuna industry, there I got the contract of pipelining. When I got inside to that one, that's a very big project. It's around 2.5-3 crores project work I got it, but out of it. But when I was going as an engineer, but I am not able to do that one. But I have to get it from some other fellow only. I have to
Do that work.
do that work. So for that, I can give the guidance of the figuring out the picture. It can be like this, but practically
It's not possible for you to do that
Do
work.
that,
That's what you say is 100% correct. What you learn from the books is entirely different from what is it is in the practical.
yeah, practical.
So you will make use of other engineers and who is up to date,
Yes.
updated with the new technology,
New technology.
who can do such kind of big projects.
Yes,
So
yes.
they must be very happy that they got very big project through you, right?
Yeah.
And Nagarjuna and Suslan. Suslan is a windmill,
Windmill, yeah.
a production company. What is Nagarjuna doing the same?
Power generation.
Power generation. Oh, they are the one who are into Mangalore or Karnataka.
No, that power generation is 1200 megawatt power generation. It's a very big one.
1200 megawatts.
Megawatts.
It is supplied all through
India.
India.
Yeah, national grid itself. Very
Yes,
big.
yes. I have heard about Nagarjuna. I got little confused about that. So as I said, like you are going to get into the mechanical engineering industry also. So apart from that, are you having any idea of expanding your business into some other field?
At present, this is I have to prove that in mechanical field also as an engineer, what is Sukumar. Just because it's my hometown, it's coming up. So secondary upwards, I have to think about it. So
I think this man is going to be the king of this area, maybe proving himself into multiple different fields. And as I said, like Nagarjuna and Suslan, if you get the mechanical project, and there are mechanical field means a lot of things are involved in it. As
Yes.
you say, components, engineering things, and
Yes.
all those things. So maybe in the future, I can see you putting up some engineering industry also in there. Are you having some plan for that?
I have to, yeah.
Yes, of course. He will never say no. And how about your principle that you have followed in your business? What is your principle or your protocol that you are following right from the day you started your business?
See, right from the day, in this industry, in particular, I am talking about different Padabidri Hotel. I am having a staff of 45 members.
Very good.
45, full pledge. Morning 7 o'clock to 11:30.
Mm-hmm.
Shift system, I am doing the work and all. So also the working style and all, manager I have appointed. According to the chart, we give to them work and all. In advance, they have to brief them what are the things today has been the menu.
I see.
According to the menu, the food has to be ready. And if it is getting any extra, what I said is catering also. That time we have to give them extra people also. That time we have to get the people from outside. So this industry itself, it will run with the 40 to 45 people. But if I am getting the 500 people, 1000 people catering also, I have to get the people from outside.
Outside, so
Yes, so
you have to get for contract.
yeah, I have to get the people from outside. I am making the things because I am in spacious places. In around I am having 3 acres here. So from here to backside entire.
I see.